I would like to tell the Chief Minister that this is not an isolated incident or a human error. पळय CM पळय म्हणटा आयसोलेटेड इन्सिडेंट वो ह्युमन एरराक लागून जाला म्हणून हें तशें कांय ना. This is a big scam, a big racket. In fact, CM should investigate. I am alleging that this is a human trafficking racket going on, managed by the Minister for Ports and Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo. You see, these are the letters that is issuing to certain people. Now, collector is supposed to be issuing the letters. No other minister is issuing any letters for any of his people. Not even the health minister is issuing any letters. But this person is issuing these letters on the pretext of getting essential commodities and helping the people. Yes, essential commodities were brought into Kalangut and sold at exorbitant prices from the shops of some of his supporters. आमच्या कालांगुटान ह्यो लेटरी दिवन हांगा खूब भाशेचो गडबड जालोलो आहा. ही चिटी घेवन लोकांक हाडलेले आहा, भाजयेच्या ट्रकांनी लोकांक हाडलेले आहा, चेडवांक हाडलेले आहा धंदे करपाक. आयज हो एकलोच मिनिस्टर सगळ्याकूच मेदेर जाता. ही वॉन्ट्स टू कंट्रोल पेरनेम, बिचोलीम, बार्देस एवरीवेर. तेका लागून तो बाबू आजगांवकारा कडेन झगडटालो तेजे पियाक काडपाक. This lady who is now in the news, I don't blame her because you see the pathetic conditions of the hospitals here which are in the press. Nobody wants to be quarantined in the government quarantine facilities. But you are a minister. हे बायले काडपाक हेच्या ऑफिसान सान रिक्वेस्ट केला आनी आमकां पळय सांगता 250 मिटर गाडी ते सायडीक आहली, 250 मिटर एक गाडी. सो 76-year-old woman have been walking half a kilometer. Somebody who's got COVID, ती 2 किलोमीटर चलोन येयली हे गाडयेन आनी ते गाडयेन. I request the Chief Minister to check the call details of whoever was on duty at the border. Because see, lot of things are happening in Kandolim, in Aradi. People are coming with his letters from Karnataka. आमकां पुलीस आनी मामलेदार म्हणटा बाबा लेटरी घेवन येता, आमी कितें करपाचें? हो मिनिस्टर एकलोच मिनिस्टर म्हणटा दिता. वी अंडर प्रेशर. आमकांय खबर नासली, ते लेटरी दाखयता आमकां की this fellow is pressurizing us. So what is his interest? What is this one person doing? And CM has got no control over him. From what I know, he is in good terms with one BJP functionary from the organization wing, and CM has got no control over it. तो तांकां पयशे आपणाचे ill-gotten wealth he is using to bribe these organization people. He is supplying them everything that he is famous for in Kalangut. And Kalangut, I explained the बायलेक favor करूंक नाय. You have not done a favor to that lady by bringing her without a test. You have put her life in danger. You have put the life of the relatives in danger. You have put the lives of Kalangut constituency people in danger. आनी आयज गोंय पाड घातलें तुवें. ओके, हे कोरोना हाडपाक म्हाका दिसता इवन वास्को, आय डोंट नो फ्रॉम वीच सायड दे केम, बिकॉज आनी कोण लेटरी दिना, एकलोच मनीस दिता लेटरी. I think Michael may be responsible for getting corona in Goa and spoiling the whole this. होच मनीस सांग बी टुरिजम स्टार्ट करुया म्हणून. ही मेडल्स विथ एवरीथिंग. ते सांगतालो ZP इलेक्शन करुया म्हणून रोखडें. टुरिजम स्टार्ट करुया म्हणून सांगता, रेस्टॉरंट स्टार्ट करुया म्हणून सांगता. सो इन दीस टायम्स आनी आतां इतल्यो केसी जाले आसतना तरी 8 तारखेर रेडी रावल्या सगळे रेस्टॉरंटां उगडपाक. एंड देर आर टॉक्स अबाउट अ वेडिंग ऑर अ पार्टी. एवरीबडी नोज अबाउट इट. ओनली द गव्हर्मेंट इज डिनायिंग दीस. वॉट आर द पुलीस डुईंग? पुलिसांक खबर नासली. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी पुलीस कितें करता सांगता. पुलीस आर अरेस्टिंग सोशल एक्टिविस्ट, एनवायरमेंटल एक्टिविस्ट. तेच वॉल्टर लोबोक अरेस्ट केलो. आयज आमचो एक डेमेन टॅलिस म्हणून आहा, ही इज अ सोशल एक्टिविस्ट फ्रॉम कांदोलीम. तेका लेटर धाडल्या बिकॉज 3 months ago he was going on his bike to the primary health center Kandolim. The police stopped him. He told बाबा आपण वखद हाडूंक वयता आपणाचें म्हणून. तो म्हणत ना, फार्मासी बंद जाल्या. Here he has got a receipt from the chemist which was open on that day. Police सांगताले बंद. ही इज अ हँडिकॅप पर्सन, ताका बरोच मारला आनी 3 म्हयन्यांनी आयज तांकां लेटर धाडल्या टू बी प्रेझंट एट द पुलीस स्टेशन. हांगा पार्टियो चलता थिंगा दवरिना. वन सोशल एक्टिविस्ट who has exposed those 15 bikes which came from Maharashtra, which I believe have been brought with the letter from Michael Lobo. They must have entered Goa through with that letter. Walterak धरून उडयलो. This person also, he is bringing up a lot of illegalities in Kandolim. Teka is noticed after 3 months that he should present himself with the bike to the police station. Everything, I think we have got the most corrupt police officer in Kalangut. I tell you my case, there's a lot of prostitution going on in Kalangut, and with these letters, prostitutes are coming inside through these vehicles where these letters are given by this minister. आमगेर म्हाज्या हॉटेलार 3 जाण इजडे येवन भितर धमकी दिवन सेक्युरिटीक म्हाज्या हॉटेला भितर वचून टीव्ही फोडली. आय हॅव कंप्लेन. द पुलीस केम ऑन PSI केम, सॉ द CCTV फुटेज, एवरीथिंग. आयज पासून FIR रजिस्टर करिना because they pay protection money to this police officer. I complained to the SP, कांयच करिना. Last month, 4 prostitutes were brought in one housing society in Kalangut. When the security stopped them, a policeman came to support this pimp who was there. No action was taken. Through the people I applied, wrote to the SP and DGP again, and after that only action was taken. So this police are hand in gloves with this minister, and all these illegal activities are taking place. So it is not an isolated incident that one lady has come. कितल्या लामाणी कडेन ही लेटरां आहा, ही पळय ताणें दिल्या, मायकलान दिल्या, ही how many Lamanis have entered illegally without being tested for COVID? In Aradi, there are buses, I believe there are at least two buses which have come and staying in Aradi. They are using one toilet. About 15 people have come. एक toilet use करता. They are staying in small shanties there, but they have come from Karnataka. हांव नको कलेक्टरान लेटर दिल्या कितें पळय ती. But this man is spoiling the whole of Kalangut and is spoiling the whole of Goa. And आयज तर कोविड जालां जाल्यार एकाच लागून काल म्हापसा बाजारान पयशी गोंयकारांनी सगळ्यांनी शॉपां बंद. बट यू गो फ्रॉम पार्रा टू म्हापसा, आख्ख्या रस्त्याक भायल्या लोकांची शॉपां ओपन आहा आनी थंय नो सोशल डिस्टन्सींग ना. ती आमचे गोंयकार आहा जाल्यार सोशल डिस्टन्सींग वी हॅव टू फॉलो द रुल्स. भायले पळय आहा तांकां रुली कांयच ना. आय रिक्वेस्ट द चीफ मिनिस्टर, take this very seriously. This human trafficking is taking place on the borders with the help of these ministers, whoever is giving letters. Otherwise, what right do you have to give this letter? And how are the police allowing based on this letter? There should be law. The law says only a collector is authorized. How is this minister giving the letters? How are people coming in without being tested? 3,000 येऊ, 4,000 येऊ, कितले लोक येऊ. Others stop that. You have to seal the borders. And please, for God's sake, don't open the restaurants now. 100 केसी थिंगा जाल्या. आतां कालांगूट येतल्यो. They all asymptomatic. You're going to destroy Kalangut. This one man who is just drunk on his power and money, he meddles with everything, and he's going to destroy our constituency, and he's going to destroy the whole of Goa. So I request the Chief Minister to please take note of what I've said and check properly.